If you're looking for a reliable and professional home inspection service, well, you've come to the right place.
Hey, it's James from Selman Home Inspections. I was doing an inspection this morning. I found a few things on an AC system that I thought would be helpful to share with you guys. I'm up in the attic of this house, which has got a heat pump installed. And if you look, this is just the whole unit. It's all built into one. And I found a few deficiencies that I'd highly recommend repairing or having changed just to prevent water damage from condensation overflow. The first thing I noticed, if you look underneath this air conditioner, is there's no secondary drain pan. If either of these two drain lines ever clog up, the water will overflow the air conditioner and down onto the ceiling and the finishes below. So that's the first thing I would recommend as we replace and put a drain pan under this. Secondly, our condensation drain lines don't have any insulation. In very humid weather, these can form condensation on the outside of the drain lines. And then it'll drip onto the roof, the attic deck here. Third is there's not a P-trap like you'd see underneath the sink drain installed here as well. And then lastly, what I would recommend is a water sensor. There are two types. One could be installed in line with one of the drain lines, or it could be installed in the pan like a float switch. We highly recommend these because how they work is if one of these drain lines ever clogs up or backs up with condensation, it'll shut the air conditioner off so it can't generate any more condensation, thus preventing damage to the ceiling below. Take a look in your house, look at the air conditioner. I find a lot of these deficiencies in many homes I look at, even brand new ones. But take a look at it, and if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to give us a call. Thanks.
No matter what type of home inspection you need done, you can count on us. Call or email one of our friendly staff now to schedule your home inspection.